And thank you for joining me today to review new functionality now available in EHS. We have recently released a feature which allows users to source documents directly from your document management system in KBHS called Resources to pull a document directly into a form rather than having to attach a file directly from your desktop. So if you are using the resource library to import company policies and procedures or toolbox talks or other documents like that, you can now reference those documents directly from a form that you are filling out. So let's go ahead and demonstrate this functionality now. I'm going to use the example of a toolbox talk. So here within my forms library, I've created a form to capture participants and dates and information when I am facilitating a toolbox talk. But I'm going to go ahead and edit this form here because I want the user that is doing the toolbox talk to be sourcing the document directly from the resource library that they reviewed. So here I already have my date field, the project this is tied to, the topics we've discussed, and who was there. But I also want to add an attachment field. So I'm going to add a field below, and we'll use the attachment field, which is an existing field type. So we'll just say, we'll call this document reviewed. Go ahead and create that field. Now, by default, this document review field requires the user to attach a file that sources directly from the desktop. Now, I can go ahead and edit this attachment field, go over to the settings, and I have more capabilities available now. So now I have my attachment methods, which includes the ability to upload from local device or the ability to source from the resource library. So I'm going to go ahead and choose to source from the resource library now. And then another option appears allowing me to source just certain tags within the library. So maybe we have corporate policies and procedures and other health and safety documents in here, but I don't want those to be accessible. Maybe I just want health and safety, which includes our toolbox talks. Then those documents that are tagged to that particular tag or folder will be the only thing that appears when the user goes to complete this form. So we'll go ahead and click done. And now you'll see that our document reviewed field, instead of saying attach from your desktop, says to add a resource. Let's go ahead and save our edited field and take a look at how this appears when a user is filling this out. We're going to go ahead and fill out this form that we just edited for our toolbox talk. We'll go ahead and start over with a new session so I can complete the information of what I'm doing this toolbox talk for, add my participants with my employee information. So here I have my job title, everyone with this job title, create my participant list with my e-signatures. Now down at the bottom, I have my document reviewed. You can see there's no titles or no documents already sourced. So I can add a resource here. And now it includes all the documents that are currently tagged with health and safety, since that was the filter I applied when adding this setting within the form editor. So let's say we went ahead and reviewed the behavior-based safety document. It attaches that file to the form itself. I can choose another document if I would like to here, and then go ahead and click submit. Now we can go ahead and view that response to see exactly how it filled that out. So here I have my attendees, and you'll see the documents reviewed appears in the list, and I can go ahead and open this up and review that document. Now this functionality works the same within the mobile application. So if you're out on a job site or remote work area and doing something like a toolbox talk, you'll be able to select that document from resources directly in the form, review that document, attach it, and then pass the device around to capture those signatures. That covers our new functionality with sourcing resources within a form. Thank you for covering that with us today.